Why is communication important in an e-commerce migration?
Well, basically for me, what I mean by communication is that everybody knows what they are doing, everybody knows their responsibilities, and it should be, for example, in the task management system, where everybody has tasks that are assigned to them. The developer has their own tasks, the SEO has, you have their own tasks. So everything should be documented and everybody should understand what they're responsible for. And if something, so for example, I saw such situations when at the beginning, the approach to something was one, and then in the process it was changed. And it wasn't communicated properly to anybody. And you as an SEO need to be kept in the loop. And that's why I said it's important on all the stages to talk about that, to ask questions about any changes that are happening, or if there are any changes happening.